Hi, my name is Wes Scripps from Foilio.tv. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add an article to your website. Let's go ahead and go to the article, or the website that we're going to be editing. Mine is Foilio.us. I use this for demo purposes. So next we're going to be adding a link up here as well as the article. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's log into the back end here. So yours will be mine is Foilio.us/administrator. Yours will be something else. If I can spell. Next I'll be logging in. And now we're going to Article Manager. I always like to go through the top menu here. Next we click on New. Article we're going to be adding is how to add an article. Wonderful. Alias, doesn't really matter. Add an article. This is for database reasons. Let's go ahead and pick an categorize section here. Sections and categories, just to show you. A section is basically kind of, it's at the top, and the categories under it. So this is basically your category and subcategory, but Joomla does it a little differently, so that's okay. We'll deal with it. Do we want it published on front end? No. Published? Yes. If you want it published on the front page, let's go ahead and click preview here. In case you didn't catch that, preview button here, you can always look at the front end of your website as you're editing. So if you want it to go on the front page, that's these articles right here. So if I wanted it to go on the front page, which I'll show you, yes, and we'll say how this article is added. Click yay, author alias, we'll put Wesley, and we'll click apply. So next we'll go to the front page, refresh, and you'll see how to add an article, and I just added that. But we will leave that there just like that. Looks great. Next, we will go to how to add this as a menu item as well. So I'll go ahead and add a picture just for the fun of it. We'll just use the same one we did from the last exercise. Let's use one that already exists. Let's see here. Let's use pastarchives.jpg. You can use whatever you want. That works great. We'll go ahead and click save because we're done in here. We're not going to be doing any metadata information here. We can do that in a different demo. Next, we will go to menus. So we will go to top menu, which is this right here, and that's where we're going to add it. So we'll go to top menu, and then we'll say new. Next, we're going to click on articles, and then article layout, and then title of it. So we can say how to. You can just say how to. You can have a whole thing on how to's. Yes, alias how to. Just so you know what it looks like. Next, we will click on. You need to have an article here, so we'll click on select. And we'll look for the one that we just created. So if we want to sort by date, we can just go ahead and click on that and find the one that we just did. So 2/10/2010. How to add an article. Perfect. Just what we need. Parameters, we can leave that alone. System, page title. Leave that alone as well. Here you have your access levels. So if you are going to be publishing articles to registered users only, that means they have to be logged into your system. Then you can click on registered. Otherwise it's public or special for whatever reason. And then if you would like, parent window with browser navigation. This basically means that if you click on that, it opens in the same window. New window with browser navigation means, well, you open it in a new window. So I'll go ahead and show you that. We'll go ahead and click apply. And we'll see a refresh button. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll see how to. Click on that button, and there it is. Wonderful. Next, we'll go back to the back end here. We can close that out. As you can see, it says new window with browser navigation. When I clicked on it, it opened up in a new window. Here it says new window without browser navigation. I'll do that as well. Let's do that real quick. Click the refresh button. I'll click how to, and it'll open it in a new window without any navigation. You can create pop-up windows like they used to have with ads. I think we all remember the banner ads with flashing text and whatnot. They were really annoying. But basically, that kicks it out onto a page without navigation. Here we're just going to leave it back on the parent window, which is this window. This is the parent window, and we just wanted to open it. So we'll click apply. Welcome to front page. We'll click how to. Oops. Do that again. You have to wait for it to refresh. No, it didn't. Just got to click apply. Alright, load it. Click how to. That's not good. Parent window with browser navigation. Click save. Alright, sounds good. Forgot to refresh this page. No problem there. Hit the refresh, click how to, opens up in the same window. Wonderful. Back to the home page. If you notice, what I clicked on there was called breadcrumbs, but we won't get into that at the moment. And that's how you add a menu item and an article to your website. Thank you. Well, this has been Wes with Forleo.tv. Have a good day.